Good morning, data builders. Let's see how to contribute to the latest campaign on the PublicAI Data Hub, which is recording audio in your native language or mother tongue. So after logging into the Data Hub, we'll head over to Upload and find the relevant campaign that we want to contribute to. If you're not seeing a campaign under registered, go over to Live, where you can find all of the campaigns that are underway and select the relevant language that you've actually spoken since birth, the language that you spoke growing up. That's what we want recordings of, so only apply to the campaign if you've actually spoken one of these languages your entire life. So that's the case for me in English, so I'll go ahead and go to collection for this campaign. Now, before recording, let's make sure that we understand all of the rules and what makes a good data sample, so that when we contribute to the campaign, what we upload is actually valuable. So the rules here on how to record our voice clearly and naturally is to make sure that we have a quiet space without background noise, like traffic or pets, that we speak in a natural tone, so whether that's conversational or like we're giving a speech or presentation, either one is fine, as long as we're not speaking like a robot and tripping over every word, then it'll be okay. So the last rule is to check our work, and I'm okay with all of those, so check work, speak naturally, and have a quiet space to work in. All of those sound good, so I'm ready to go and upload this data sample. Now, to make sure that I don't trip over the words, I'll just read the whole thing out ahead of time and see how it goes. I don't know who AI is. I'm pretty sure I'm a real person, though. So let me try saying that out loud after hitting record. I don't know who AI is, but I'm pretty sure I'm a real person, though. Hit stop, and something didn't feel quite right about the way I read that, but let's take a listen. I don't know who AI is, but I'm pretty sure I'm a real person, though. Yeah, that was bad, so I'm going to just re-record it as if it never happened. Let's try again and hope I get it right this time. I don't know who AI is. I'm pretty sure I'm a real person, though. Click stop, review the recording. I don't know who AI is. I'm pretty sure I'm a real person, though. Sounds good, so we'll confirm to upload. Upload successful. Now I can go ahead and upload more, or head over to the Data Hub and start voting on other people's uploads.